Hey guys, this is Rutuja and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be sharing this beautiful Eid makeup look. Before getting to the video, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. So, let's get to the video. Before starting, I am going to sanitize my hands, and you also guys sanitize your hands and stay home, stay safe. The first step is to apply a good moisturizer. The one that I will be using is the Pond's Lightweight Moisturizer. Everybody has their personal preference of moisturizer, so whatever you apply on a daily basis, you can use that. Next, I am applying primer on my T-zone area, and the primer I am using is from NYB. Next, to clean the border of my brows, I am using some concealer. This is a Swiss Beauty concealer, and then I am going to bring the concealer down to my lid as well to even out the skin tone and keep it ready for the eyeshadow.
Some trouble when he's around, my problems seem like double. His stupid eyes put me on ice.
I'm going to start filling in my brows using this perfect eyebrow pencil.
Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me.
Next, using some powder, I am going to set this concealer to prevent it from creasing and settling in those fine. Next, I am taking this green color from SFR eyeshadow palette and applying it on my entire eyelid.
Took a swing at a wrecking ball and I prayed for my downfall and I found a way.
Now it's time to cut the crease.
It's not worthwhile. It's a bloody battlefield where some go down, others heal. In the end, it's all the same. All you can do is play the game. Oh, do we say goodbye? Refuse to question.
Next, I am applying some loose golden glitter, and the one I am using is from MAC. Then, taking this golden shade from Huda Beauty Rose Gold Eyeshadow Palette, I am applying on my eyelid with the tip of my finger.
Life kept spitting at my feet and forced me down street when all
Next I'm applying foundation, and the foundation I am using is from Inside. It's a liquid foundation.
part of my skin, no, 'cause I don't like the person within, no. I know I'm the one to blame. All I can do is take
So here I am spraying makeup fixer on my brush, and then I will be applying it.
to question why I'm too sad to say I'm sorry, so lie and pretend that you're okay. Swear that you will stay.
Next I am applying concealer from Swiss Beauty to conceal my dark circles, spots of my face.
Don't care if I capsize. It's not the life for me to hide.
And blending it.
Too many lows, too many highs, too many things to criticize. So I leave it all behind. Don't wanna live a
And to set my face, I am using compact powder from Inside. This not only sets your face but also gives a flawless coverage.
empty hearts and neon lights. They're playing with my mind.
Next I am contouring my face using a Mascara contour palette.
Run off and fly. I don't tell myself it's fine to be alone. Just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh.
Next, applying blush on my cheeks, and the blush I am using is from Blue Heaven.
Silver, no more
Also contouring my nose to look small and straight.
unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now.
Next, using NYB liquid eyeliner in drawing a wing eyeliner.
La, 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 oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly.
Next, to soften my lower lash line, I am using the same green color, and I am just going to smoke it out throughout my lower lash line.
Back home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh.
And then I am applying some lip balm to keep it ready for the lipstick.
Take me to a world of
In my waterline, I am applying ADS Kajal.
colors. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started.
Then I am applying mascara, and this is from CoverGirl. Next here I am applying lipstick, and the lipstick I am using is from Revlon in the shade Love That Pink. This is my favorite lipstick. Next, applying highlighter on the highest point of my face. And here is the complete look. Let me know if you guys enjoy this look, and if you did, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you are new here. So see you soon. Bye bye. Take care.